Good morning, students. This morning we are having Unit 7 Test, Measurement and Evaluation. Test, Measurement and Evaluation. In physical education, test, measurement and evaluations are very important for the growth or to make a proper program in physical education. For example, if we want to improve our cardiovascular respiratory fitness, we have to participate in fitness program. If we want to improve our cardiorespiratory fitness, we have to participate in fitness program. Certain period of time, if we do not have measured the and evaluate your cardiorespiratory fitness, you may remain in dark. To know about our cardiorespiratory fitness, we have to participate in fitness program. That means while participating in fitness program, test, measure and evaluation will be done. Then only we can able to know about your cardiorespiratory fitness. If we are in a mode of practice without scientific ways, we are just like a pilot who goes into a ship without rudder or compass and does not know his destination. Here we are talking about the result. Whatever the result will be, we will able to know about how heart is working and what will be our planning by the result we get, how we can improve our cardiovascular respiratory fitness. Definition of test, measurement and evaluation. Definition of test, measurement and evaluation. What is the definition of test? Definition of test. A test is the presentation of a series of situations which bring out specific response or answer from the subject. As we had came to know about cardiovascular test, these response of reaction is liable to be measured quantitatively and qualitatively. Both sides we have to measure. A test may be subjective or objective. The according to Webster dictionary, let's say students, Webster dictionary, what the dictionary is saying about a test. A test is a tool to evaluate skills, knowledge, capacities or aptitude of an individual or a group. Skills. In physical education, we take different types of tests regarding football skills, volleyball skills, and various games. Whatever students you do in a field, we measure, and how much knowledge of that skills you are having. Are you able to do it or not do it for a single student also and for a group team also? Sometimes while taking practical in physical education in a ground, we call 4 or 5 students in a group and we test them. So test is a tool to evaluate. We are at the time evaluating your skill, your knowledge and capacities or attitudes. So this is the definition of test. We came to know about test and we had seen the various definition of test. Now important is definition of measurement. According to Jack Nelson, measurement aids evaluation process in which various tools and techniques are used to collect data. Like we use various type of test for a collection of data. For example, Miller volleyball test. It is a specific test to evaluate a player regarding a volleyball game. Harvard test, Harvard Physical Fitness Program test. Students in later chapter we will came to know about few Harvard test. It is related to your flexibility, endurance, and your strength. While you are doing Harvard test, we collect data also. Technique are used in collection of data. Various tools and techniques are used to collect data also. Data in a form that we are noting down each and individual what he had participated in a given time. For example, if a child is related to physical fitness test, we had given him a specific time. In this time you will run and touch it there just like a shuttle race, and we note time of the student what in that time he has done. We had collected the data and write it down in a paper. Measurement is a process through which our level of performance, fitness level, ability, knowledge, personality traits, and skills are measured with the help of various standard tests. Definition of measurement. Third one is very important. Definition of evaluation. Evaluation is a mean of organized assessment done to appraise the value of something. The most important aspect of evaluation is determine the applicability, capability, and achievement of the said subject. An evaluation is assessment and systematic and impartial as possible of an activity, project, program, strategy, policy, topic, theme, sector, operational area, institutional program. And what is evaluation? It is a technique by which we came to know at what extent the objectives are being achieved. What we had achieved. Suppose students are playing inter-school volleyball and we had collected data and we came to know by previous experiences that objectives are being achieved, what we had achieved and how we can improve it. It is a decision making process which assists to make grade and ranking. According to Barrow and McGee, it is the process of education but involves collection of data from the product which can be used for comparison with preconceived criteria to make judgment. Students, you had seen the old recording of cricket match. Why we are looking old matches of cricket match and from where they are coming? Because this is an old data which has been collected for a specific reason. Why it has been collected? By looking those matches and by looking now modern matches, we can evaluate by those matches. We are now here in a situation that the cricket is modified, best players are taking part in Indian team. We had evaluated, and whatever the shortcomings are there, we had corrected by evaluation. This is the power of test measurement and evaluation. Evaluation require a methodical collection of information and systematic analysis and presentation of achievements and challenges. All evaluation should be conducted in an impartial manner at all stages of process. There are various process when we start and we are continuing, and what we had received is a part of evolution. Importance of test measurement and evaluation in sports. Students, test measurement and evaluation play an important and significant role in sports. Not in sports, in many subjects, in all of the subjects, you can say, whether we are studying science, maths, history, English, economics. Test measurement and evaluation are very important. Although we are studying physical education and in sports, it is very, very important. Test measurement and evaluation are important aspects of all program of physical education and sports. Without test measurement and evaluation, it becomes very difficult to determine the level of achievements of various objectives of physical education. Objectives, whether we have to make a good team and what are the shortcomings and which player can take part. The following points clearly indicate the importance of test measurement and evaluation in physical education. The first important point is for getting knowledge about the progress. Without knowing any progress of a team or a physical education test we had done, it is just like a we are doing without, or we are preparing a team without knowing what will be the result and what will be the outcoming of that particular physical training that we are giving to you at that time. For getting a knowledge about the progress, with the help of test measurement or evaluation, physical education can get appropriate knowledge about the progress of students. To know about the progress of a student significant not only for the teachers but also students also important also. Students are not informed, they will be in dark. It is important because teachers cannot improve program related to physical education if they do not know the level of achievements or progress. What progress did we make in the last coming years, what we had done? As now one of the example is you will be having your physical education practical, and previous year students they had also gone through the same practicals. Now the situation has changed. For getting knowledge about the progress, how we will come to know about the progress? By taking test, measurement and evaluation. For preparing of effective planning, without test, measurement and evaluation we cannot make any planning. It is useless and worthless. That's why coaching method can be changed on the basis of test. When we teach the students how to play or how to deal with the skills, if we our next heading is for knowing the abilities and capacities. With the help of test, measurement and evaluation, we are able to know and we can assess and understand the ability and capacities of student by putting them on test. For discovering the need of participants, test, measurement and evaluation help in discovering the need of participants. These identify the strength and weakness of participants of students. For motivation, it is one of the important. With the help of test, measurement and evaluation is a vital motivational device. A sports person came to know his or her level of achievement or performance with the help of test and measurement and evaluation, tries to compare performance with his or her previous performance, what he has done in back years and what he has done in now. By getting a good result, a sports person himself motivate, or it's a motivational device. If he and she comes to know about other top performance, gets motivated to achieve better results. That's why test, measurement and evaluation help in motivating the sports person in the desired way.